Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you how to make these little chocolate bark bites. Instead of spreading the chocolate out on a tray, adding toppings, and then breaking it up like how we'd usually make bark, we're going to use an ice cube tray as an easy mold, then pop out the bite-sized pieces. For ingredients, you're going to need an ice cube tray. This one was just a basic one that we found at Acme, but you can use any shape you'd like. If you have one that's made of silicone, it might work a little bit better. Then you need chocolate to melt of any kind. We're using these dark chocolate chips, and finally for the toppings we added craisins and some pecans, but you can add whatever kind you like. You will also need a bowl and a spoon to help melt your chocolate. First I cut the corner of this bag and then added the chocolate chips to this measuring cup. There are no specific measurements for this because it all depends on how many bark bites you want to make, but for this video I think I used about half of the bag of chocolate chips. After that, I melted the chocolate in the microwave for about 40 seconds, but I made sure to stop every 10 seconds to stir it up and encourage the melting process. Then here it is all melted. The next step is a little bit tricky just because it could get messy. You want to pour the chocolate into your ice cube trays. And I am super sorry that you can't see what's happening here. I am severely left-handed and I didn't realize I covered up the whole thing when I was filming. So please enjoy this sped up section featuring the back of my hand. Once I poured it all in the tray, I gave it a little shake and then I dropped it just to help settle down the chocolate. And then it was time to add the toppings. So I put a few craisins in each one and then I sprinkled in the nuts and tapped them in using the end of my spoon just so they stuck a little bit better. I wasn't sure how many toppings to add, but I think next time I will stir some in and put some on top as well, just because my ice cube tray turned out to be a lot deeper than I expected, so there was a lot of plain chocolate at the bottom, but it was still delicious. After this step, I popped them in the freezer for about 20 minutes while they dried up. The time will depend on how big or how thick you make yours, but as long as they aren't melted anymore, you should be good. Here they are right out of the freezer. I had enough left in the measuring cup to make an extra one, so that's why there's a little chunky looking one on the end. But now it's time to pop them out however you can. Mine were a little hard to pop out just because the mold was so stiff, but give it time and you will get it. After that, you are all done. So here's what they look like when they're finished. They were really good, and I definitely recommend using this chocolate because it wasn't too sweet. Overall, these are fun to eat on their own, but they could also be a cute gift if they were all bagged up. So if you give this a try, let us know how they turned out, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.